Hi, this is Tim from Mag Torch. Today I want to talk about our Blaze torch. This is our most powerful torch with 500,000 BTUs. So I want to run through how you operate the torch. First, you want to attach it to a 20-pound cylinder, turn the gas on. Usually want to let it sit with the gas on, but with your valve off, to sort of pressurize the line in the system. Next, turn on the gas on the on-off valve, and you will hear it. Take your self-igniter, light it, and you will see, like a torch, yellow flame. Turn the gas on a little bit more. Now press the lever for output. And to let go, it'll keep the starting flame. So real quick, I'll show you. I have pressed in here some filler for a crack. There you go. So it works great for asphalt, it works great for starting fires, works great for a lot of different outdoor purposes. For more information on our Blaze torch, visit us at magtorch.com. Thank you very much.